Would you like to get paid for saving gold and silver? Hello, this is George Escola, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a plan to save gold and silver, and at the end of the video I will tell you how to get paid for that. But let's first talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver is real money. It has withstood the test of time over the past centuries against all currencies. The problem with currencies is that they keep printing more and more and more, and it becomes worth less and less and less until it finally goes out of existence. Whereas gold and silver retains its value over time, and in some cases it can become even more valuable. We'll talk about that in a minute. I want to introduce you today to a company that has a monthly savings plan where they send you gold and silver coins every month. And to get into these plans, there's two levels of membership on an annual basis. The standard plan is $199 a year, and the premium plan is $499 a year. On the standard plan, you get as a welcome gift a gem uncirculated 1-ounce silver round. And these are collectible coins that in the past have accumulated more value over time. Now, no guarantee in the future, of course. We can't promise you anything on that. But going by the past record, these coins have the potential of becoming more and more valuable. And so you get one of those in your standard plan, and they ship it right away. In the premium plan, you get an MS-70 coin, which is also a silver coin. And MS-70 is just a rating that's given to coins by a third-party grading service. And the MS means that it's mint state, direct from the mint, never been handled. The 70 rating indicates that at 5 times magnification, they were not able to see any blemishes. So these are essentially perfect coins. And the MS-70 coins in the past have gained a lot of value over time, some of them thousands of dollars. Now, there's no promise of future value in the coins that you will receive, but the potential is there, and in the past, some people have seen their coins become quite valuable over time. So, again, you get the welcome gifts sent to you right away. On the premium, you also get a 1-ounce round included in the welcome gift. So you get an MS-70 coin and a 1-ounce round, both in silver, sent to you right away after you join. They also have 3 different monthly savings programs. The basic program is $105 a month, and in that you get an uncirculated silver coin that has some collectible value, as we discussed before. In the variety pack, which is the one that we recommend, it's $139 a month, but you get in this every month you get an MS-70 coin. And as we said before, these could become much more valuable over time, so your savings will grow at a higher rate. There's also a specialty plan that's $309 a month. And in this plan, you could get a gold coin, or you could get an MS-70 coin, or you could get some other silver coin that is a collectible coin. And so if you want to build your value faster, that specialty plan would be the way to go. We recommend the variety plan because in that you get the MS-70 coin, and that is going to give you good value over time. Not only for the silver, but potentially some collector value could be added in there. So how do you get paid? Let me show you on the board how this system works. The company has what they call a binary compensation plan. And all that means is that there's a right leg and a left leg. So in this sketch on the board, if this is you, once you get one person on the right and one person on the left, then you would rank at associate. And at the associate level, based on points is how you get paid. And the membership plan has a certain number of points, and the monthly savings plans have a certain number of points. And those points flow up through the network from infinite level, and everyone on the way up gets that number of points. So once you accumulate 500 on the right and 500 points on the left, then you can get paid $500. And the accounting is done at midnight on Saturday. So if you have that number of points or more in each left and right leg, you'll get paid the next week. And if you have a big enough downline, in order to get that many points every week, you could potentially earn $500 a week. Now you can see that that would more than pay for any savings plan that you get into. And that's how you get paid. But let me show you just the next level and explain how that works. Once you get to this associate level, then if you have in your downline these two people, get one on the left and one on the right, and they become associates. These two become associates. And then if you get one more person on the right and one more person on the left, then you would rank up to what they call the copper level. So this would be copper. And at the copper level, if you accumulate points on each side up to 1,000, 1,000 points right, 1,000 points left, you could get paid $1,000 when they do the accounting on Saturday at midnight. And if you have enough people in your downline to flow up through to you, enough points, and get 1,000 points every week on each side, you can get paid $1,000 a week. Now, that's starting to get into life-changing amount of money. And there are higher ranks, and the higher ranks are paying much more every week potentially. So that's how you get paid for saving gold and silver. Let me add as a bonus to this, I am a member of a society of online marketers, and we are going to promote this plan. And not only that, but when people sign up in our marketing, we're going to place them in strategic positions so that everybody ranks up as quickly as possible. So the idea here is that you want to get into the plan early so that you get more and more and more people under you and you rank up quicker and quicker. Again, no promises, but we have been marketing for some time and know how to do this, and we expect that we will be able to get everybody ranked up at least to associate very quickly, and then eventually to copper and the higher levels after that. So I'm going to leave a link below. Click on the link, pick the plan that suits you best, on the annual basis membership or the monthly savings plan, and get started right away, and I will place you in the best possible position so that we can all get ranked up as quickly as possible. Again, click on the link below, pick the membership plan you want, sign up, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye now.